morning guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So it is currently 11:50 and I just woke up 10 minutes ago. Wednesdays are my easy classes because it's my electives, so it's my film class and Spanish, but Spanish is always on the computer for me, and for film normally I don't have to do that much. But I woke up and it is my mom's birthday today. Literally haven't seen her. I just woke up. We're gonna go upstairs and say happy birthday to her. Happy 45th birthday, Mom. I love you. We have like this whole celebration. I guess I could talk about it now. Yesterday, my brothers and I set up a scavenger hunt for her to find her gifts at the end of the scavenger hunt. So it's like 8 different things leading around the property to find her presents. Also, my hair is curly because I curled it yesterday for a main channel video that I'm posting today at 2 p.m. I did not do this morning. I slept in the curls and they still look pretty good. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I just woke up, otherwise I would have said it sooner.
I know, I figured as much, but it's okay.
Puppy crazies! Crazy puppy! Look at her tongue. Go. Don't roll off the bed. Ew, she sneezed on my camera. She won't stop, like when she gets like this.
I know, she loves it. She's like, this is my exercise.
She always digs. We say she's digging to China.
Digging to China, Chinese chicken.
Yes,
yes. Digging to China. I dig to China. Yes.
Oh, she's gonna roll off. Here's my mom's little setup. My dad went out and got her flowers and a balloon yesterday, which is really cute because he always does this for my mom and I's birthdays. There's always flowers and a balloon, so even though quarantine is here, like, he didn't not do the tradition. And then here's my ratchet gift. We didn't have any wrapping paper in this whole house, so I couldn't wrap it. Look at the back. It's just full of blue painter's tape because this paper would not fold and bend. It was just not happening. So I tried. Sorry, Mom. If you want to see what I got her for her birthday though, it's in my haul video that I'm posting in 2 hours on my main channel. What? Birthday lunch!
Sushi! Oh, that's awesome! Yummy, thank you.
So I just had to vacuum the whole downstairs, courtesy of my father, thank you. Now I have to take a 50-question unit exam for my Spanish class, which is not gonna be fun. This is gonna take a little while. I'm 3 days behind in my Spanish. You know, I feel like every single vlog is just an updated version of how behind I am in Spanish. Adverbs, frequency, conjunctions, prepositions. Let's begin. See you in a little while. I did my Spanish test. I wrote a Spanish paragraph. I had to take a quiz. I'm still behind by a day now, but I'm doing it right now, some vocab. I also uploaded my video and y'all seem to be liking it, which is really fun. I'm glad. It's just a huge haul and I feel like everybody loves hauls, and that one's actually really interesting because I got a lot of really fun new things. But if you guys do not know, I have been doing the Pkwy Ting 2-week ab shred challenge, and today's day 5, and I went on her website. Day 5 is a day off, but I think I'm still gonna do a workout today. I just feel like if I take a day off, I'm gonna get unmotivated, and I've been doing it really well so far. It's been easier for me the more I've been doing it. I haven't been like checking myself out or looking for results or anything because I'm doing a whole transformation video on it. Hopefully I'm not too insecure to post it because that's the only thing. Like, I hate showing my stomach, and some things I'm just insecure about. And also, like, I know I'm not the best at working out, so I've been filming the process, but I don't know if I'm gonna end up posting the video. We'll see. Besides the point, today's day 5. It is a rest day, but I'm still gonna do one of her workouts once I get some more Spanish done because I just gotta do this. Most definitely not gonna do a full body of my workout outfit because it's just not cute, but I'll show you anyway. So I'm just wearing this t-shirt. Normally I wear a sports bra, but I'm wearing Nike shorts and I don't like wearing Nike shorts in just a sports bra. So I just put this t-shirt over. This is thrifted. It's like this FSU t-shirt. You definitely can't see, but I have white Nike shorts on and they have like the little gray trim. And then I am wearing my Yeezys. I've been wearing my Yeezys every single day to work out, and I actually really like them. I know they can be like stylish shoes, but they're also meant to work out in. I ran out of clean Under Armour black socks, which are my favorite, so I have to wear freaking fluffy socks with my Yeezys. This is just not a fit. I'm very sorry. Also, y'all, look, my dad hung up these paintings. They've been sitting here, like, not hung up for months, and he finally hanged them up. So it's a little goat and a little donkey. If you guys don't know, my room in the mountain cabin is barn theme. Like, I have a pig here, a cow here. I just have lots of farm animals. That's the whole thing. Like I said, today is supposed to be a rest day, so Pkwy Ting doesn't have specific workouts on her website for you to do today. which is totally fine. I'm just gonna go on her YouTube channel and choose one. Hopefully it doesn't have up and down planks and hip dips. Hate up and down planks and hip dips. I keep getting carpet burn, rug burn on my elbows from doing all these planks because I don't have a yoga mat here. It's in my other house, so it really hurts. Like, I try my best to do all the planks, but then if it gets to the point where like my elbows literally are on fire, I just start doing bicycle crunches and hope that it makes up for it. She has so many different workouts, but I really, ooh, lower abs. Okay, we'll do this one. Lower ab workout. 11 exercise, 45 seconds on. Oh geez, that's hard. If you don't know, 45 seconds on means you have to do the workout for 45 seconds straight, and then you get a 10-second break. Normally they're like 30 seconds on, 5 seconds off, but too bad. I'd never done some of those workouts before, so that was like weird. I mean, it got my heart pumping. It did burn a little bit in my tummy. I'm just glad I pushed myself to not take the rest day. I know it's good to take a rest day, but I just wanted to do something active. Normally after my Chloe ting, I normally go and sit out on the outdoor bed, and here's the bed. I just like to lay here. It's really, really soft and comfortable. It's also just beautiful, and the view is stunning. I don't know why anybody wouldn't want to come out and see this beautiful view. So I just learned a TikTok dance, and now I'm gonna post it. So if you're watching this, go comment on this TikTok and say that the vlog sent you. It's a really cute one, and it's a fun little dance. So I was just chilling on the bed here, and my brothers decided to take it over. They're rude, but they took over my bed. He's wearing the same shirt from yesterday, but it's my merch, so it's okay. I'll forgive him. Stop moving the bed so much. I wish I had a sister.
Let's go for the boys.
They're so mean to me, so I'm just gonna let them be mean to each other now. Also, my mom has gotten so many birthday messages from like my subscribers, which is really cute. Jamie just texted, "We love Carrie. Everybody wish Carrie a happy birthday." I'm gonna take off my shoes and then we're gonna go eat because I'm so hungry. It's literally 4 o'clock in the afternoon and all I've eaten today is 4 pieces of sushi. My dad got my mom sushi for her birthday lunch and I had like 4 pieces of it and that's it, and I'm starving. Let's go get a snack. They went to go look at property on the lake. My mom loves the lake and she just wants to be on the lake. One of their favorite pastimes to do is just go look at properties on the lake. You know, that's a pretty good pastime because it's free, it's fun. I don't know where that's gonna go, but maybe we'll be on the lake one day. That was green tea, by the way. I love green tea. I really want some strawberries, but we don't have any strawberries. Maybe I can ask my dad to get strawberries while he's out. While you're out, maybe you can get strawberries and bananas. I miss my fruits. Well, we'll see where that goes. He probably won't get it, but it's worth a shot. This is a cute angle. I've never really vlogged at this angle before. I don't even know what I want. Like, none of this looks appetizing to me. You know when you're hungry, but like nothing looks good? Applesauce. That sounds good. These are the best spoons for applesauce because they're so small and so cute. I love it. I can hear my parents pulling in. Oh, there they are, but I just set the table because they brought home barbecue. Oh. Dang, Mello. Well, Mello's excited to see them, but we just set the table. They brought home barbecue for dinner, so that's very exciting. And then after we eat, I think she's gonna do her scavenger hunt. Chase hid all the clues while they were gone. It's now 6 o'clock though, so we're hungry and we're gonna eat some good food. We haven't got takeout in a while, so I'm excited. Time to open your presents.
Okay, Dad's first.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Mom. You're about to go on the scavenger hunt. You can find your second clue, not by the dryer, but maybe where you enjoy your drinks by the campfire. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Are we taking a detour?
You have a scavenger hunt. House tour.
House tour.
House tour.
Oh, I see it.
Where? I don't even see it. Oh.
You found it. The clue will not be free, but it will be where you put a house in a tree. Oh, I know where that is.
She found the second clue. Now we have to go to the tree house. Well, it's not really a tree house. Kind of. Mello, that's not appropriate. So this is our tree house. It's definitely not a tree house.
Pretty easy, huh? The next clue is easily seen. Go to the place where you like to get clean. The hot tub?
I hope it's not the hot tub.
Just kidding. Okay. Where I take a shower. All right. It's a good thing you guys hit this because I think I took a shower this today already. Don't get too quirky. Our next location is new. Here is where we throw the X's to.
Oh. Oh, goodness. I didn't even see that.
Did you lick it? Am I touching your saliva right now? Yes. Getting closer to the end. After a long day of work, here you enjoy a quick lurk in a hot tub.
Okay, that one was kind of hard. Nothing rhymes with hot tub.
Number 6. When you look for the next clue, you might need to plug your nose. It's hiding in the place you store your dirty clothes. Okay. All right. Dirty clothes.
I don't think this is the right spot.
Oh wait, Mom's looking?
Yes. Oh, I gotta look hard.
You don't gotta dig.
I gotta dig. These are clean. What?
You're just gonna make this harder for yourself.
What am I missing?
Might be a little shelf, Mom.
Oh, I would have never found that in a million years. This room goes oink moo cock-a-doodle-doo. This is your second to last clue. Oh, that's easy. That's Katie's room.
Cappy looks scared.
This is a messy room. Here's oink. Oh,
You know.
oink do moo cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, finally you've made it. Lastly, go to your comfy spot where you play Words with Friends, and you've made it to the end. This is where I play Words with Friends.
She sits in that corner. You can't steal her corner.
Oh, there's a present in here. What in the world could this be? Why did that take so long? Happy birthday, Mom. Here's your gift. Yay, look at that.
Dang, that is real.
Isn't that pretty?
It's so big.
You gotta have it big. Gotta have a lot of diamonds. Yay, thank you, babe.
Happy 20 and happy birthday.
Thank
and happy
you.
anniversary.
Don't look at the
That is a
wrapping.
tight.
Oh, good looking wrapping.
Okay, I tried.
Ooh, I see some hair ties. I really needed some hair ties. Thank you, Katie. I love
We're
it.
twins.
Twinsies. Ooh, eyelash curler? Cool. I needed one of these. Is this like yours?
Eyelashes are growing.
I know. Acne cover patch. Is this for my chin?
Yeah. They're all the things that you asked me to get you and I never got
I
you.
know. I appreciate it. I'm going to use this one right now. I really need a hair tie.
So obviously my camera ended up dying when my mom finally got to end of her scavenger hunt, but my mom got new rings, wedding rings. Hers got stolen or she lost them, I forgot, a while ago, like years ago, probably like 5 or 6 years ago, and she just hasn't worn a wedding ring since. So my dad surprised her and got her a new one because their 20th anniversary just passed and it's her birthday. So it was kind of like that, you know, it was a 2-in-1 gift. And then she opened all of our presents. And again, if you want to see what I got her, go check out the haul on my main channel, Katie's Corner. The other day, I actually practiced using a new hair tool that I got, which is what I used to curl my hair yesterday, on my mom. And I recorded us trying to figure it out. So I thought I'd insert that footage in here. So this is the hair tool that I bought, and I'm gonna put this in a haul, so it'll probably be open by the time I haul it. But I had been looking at a curler that doesn't require you curl your hair because I am not good with hair tools. If you're new to my channel, I rarely put heat on my hair. I barely know how to straighten it. I mostly just rack my natural hair because I don't really care what my hair looks like. Sometimes I do want to get bougie and extra and have a little oomph to my hair. And I have a like regular wand curler, but I cannot use it for the life of me. Every time I use it, my curls turn out terrible. They don't look good. It takes forever. I came across this on Amazon and it had been sold out for so long, and then it came back in and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get it. I think it was like $35, but this is the Bedhead A Wave We Go. It says you can have tussled, tight, loose, defined curls, all this kind of stuff. I don't know why the Amazon guy like literally ruined the package, but it's kind of ugly now. Oh, look, it has all the different kinds of curls you could do. Here is the actual tool. It's not that big and it's a really pretty purple color. Oh, I see. You can twist this, but I don't know, does this give you more curls or less? How do I know what kind of waves? Whatever, we're just gonna wing it. So we are now in me bathroom and I plugged it in and we're gonna turn it on. You can adjust what kind of curls you want depending on how big or small this is.
Smaller
like that would be bigger.
Yeah.
Like wavier.
Yes, wait.
And then this would be tighter.
Yes.
I'm just gonna spray the whole bottle in her hair. Brush it.
Oh, I haven't brushed it today.
Can I cut your hair for a video? Switching! You cut my hair to this length, I'll cut yours.
Yeah, right.
That'd be so fun.
Yeah, for you.
Yeah.
And that's it? Don't you wrap it?
No, it's different. And then you just go all the way down. Yeah, I can see how this is better for short hair considering this is gonna take forever. This is working though. Surprising.
Yeah, it is.
That's 2 little sections done, and it's definitely curly. There's no doubt about that. So I think the one we have is kind of loose waves. Reveal.
Ooh.
It looks crazy.
Ramen noodle hair. Yeah.
For the first time.
Yeah.
It looks like when you take your hair out of a braid.
Yeah, it does. No, that's just weird. No. Who is that? No.
You look old.
I know. Stop.
This works really well. In total, that took 17 minutes, which is not that bad considering how long my mom's hair is. My camera battery's gonna die, so back to the normal programming. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it now. It's almost 8 o'clock and I need to take a shower and wash out these curls of mine. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. And I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace in the Middle East.